Hey guys, hope everyone is doing well. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm thrilled to give you a glimpse into my 18 scale JDM card collection. So if you're a JDM fan, you're in for a treat. But before we dive in, I just want to let you guys know that I have other resin models still attached into the base or display cases that I'll be showcasing to you guys later. But for now, I'll just be showing you guys the car models that you can see here on the table. Let's get started. So first off, I want to take a moment to address something a bit unexpected here, which is the condition of my car models, in particularly the R33 and the R31 I'm showing over here. And yeah, unfortunately they were damaged during transport. I'm planning on returning them to the seller I bought them from, and hopefully I'll find replacements for these. But yeah, as you can see here, for the R33, both the rear wheels were detached, and for the R31, the windshield, I had to apply paper tape on it because when I opened it, the package for the R31, it was a bizarre scene to watch. The windshield was pushed inwards, part of the paint was slashed, and the base was also cracked. It was completely destroyed. And yeah, I'll further discuss about some of the details later. But yeah, just in short, I just want to give these broken souls a moment in the spotlight, and I'll provide you guys a brief review of each of them. So let's start with the R33. This car was made by AutoArt and in midnight purple finish, and as many GTR fanatics may know, is that the iconic midnight purple color exhibited in the R34 GTR was actually derived from the R33 GTR. And the only subtle difference between the two colors is that the R33 seems like it's more of a purple metallic color, whereas the R34 GTR has a color shifting pattern to it. Alright, let's talk about the R31 GTS-R made by Ignition Model. To be honest, I don't know much about these specific parts for this, but I'm just gonna read it according to the hobby search website. So the release date for this car model was December 2017. There were only 40 pieces made in total, and it was made for the Nismo Festival of 2017. The parts included for this car model were genuine Nismo LMGT4 low down specification for 18-inch wheels, genuine lip spoiler, rear spoiler, large diameter single muffler, Recaro seat, and the Nismo seatbelt, Brembo made brake caliper, and Nismo logo on the front lip and left and right fender. Some crucial stuff. Now that we've finished talking about the damaged JDM car models, let's move on to the rest. Let's go ahead and get started with the GTRs here. First we got the R32 GTR Nismo N1 SRC edition made by AutoArt. This one is in gunmetal gray. Next we have the R32 V-Spec 2 in spark silver metallic. Then we got the silver R34 and a silver R33 V-Spec and a R33 GTR LM Limited in champion blue. a Japanese police car version of the R33 and the R33 Nismo R1 R-Tune. By the way, the GTRs that I've shown are all made by AutoArt. And next, let's move on to the 880 Supras. These are made by LCD. Next, we have the Toyota Centuries, the second gen here, and the third gen Toyota Century. This one is made by Samurai or Kyosho, and this one is made by AutoArt. Next, we got the Rally Legends, the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution Tommy Mäkinen Edition. Next, we have the Subaru Impreza WRX STI Type R version 4. This one is made by Hobby Japan. And before we get to the other rally cars, or the all-wheel drive cars, we have the DC2 Integra, tuned by Spoon. This is a resin model made by Auto. Next, we have the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 5 GSR. Next, we have the Bug Eye, or the GDB first generation WRX STI. Next, we have the Mazda RX-7 FD. It's the Spirit R. Next, we have a rare AutoArt model of the NSX Type R. Next, we have the R32 GTR of Group A. This is the Tyson team, and this one was driven by Kunimitsu and Keiichi Tsuchiya. For those who don't know, Keiichi Tsuchiya is basically the Drift King. Alright guys, so before we move on to the resin models, I'd like to show you one last diecast AutoArt model to my collection, which is this stunningly beautiful R32 GTR Group A Nismo Festival Edition from 2006. So you can see here, only 1,000 units were made for this one, and which makes this incredibly rare. Alright, so now that you guys have seen my diecast car model collection, it's time to shift gears and explore my resin model collection. The first car that we have in the resin model collection here is the Mazda Vilside RX-7, made by Pico, with a chrome pink candy-like color. The design of Pico's car models, especially the Vilside RX-7s, are truly captivating. So you can see here the color, it has a glitter reflective effect to it. And this is why in my opinion, I know this may be controversial, but I believe that this color is better than the pearl orange RX-7 featured in Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift, driven by Han. I feel like the color is more vibrant, whereas the orange color of Han's RX-7 is just plain. But hey, everyone has their own opinions. I would like to hear from you guys. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the chrome pink color better? Or would you rather just stick to the original? Next, we have the ignition model Toyota Supra MA70, or as most people like to call it, the Mark III Supra, a beautiful burgundy red finish. Next, we have the Unicia Jex R32 GTR that competed in 1993 of the Japanese Touring Car Championship. This car was driven by Masahiro Hasemi and Hideo Fukuyama. What's special about this limited edition model is that it came with a hand-painted figure of Mr. Hasemi, a carbon fiber-like pattern of the base, and a signature of Mr. Hasemi on this card as a background. Next, we have a 2000 GTR Hakosuka, as many people like to call it, the PGC-10 in a champagne-like silver color. This one is also limited edition. Next, we have the R31 GTSR in a black finish with golden BBS wheels. Next, we have the KBGC 110 2000 GTR in silver with bronze Watanabe wheels. Alright, moving on, we have the Toyota Crown Police Car Duel. This one is the Metropolitan Traffic Police Car. Similar to the R32 GTR, Unicia Jex does also come with a figure, which I think is really cool. And this is the Shizuoka police car. Also came with a figure. Next, we have the R34 GTR M-Spec Nur, made by Idea, with a beautiful and rare silica breath color. A truly breathtaking color, if you will. A black 2000 GTES. A black Mazda Savannah RX-7. A white Mazda RX-7 FD RE-Mamiya. A PGC-10 GTR in purple. A top secret R33 GTR in midnight purple. And a Nissan Cedric, or Gloria, in wine red. And that is it for my JDM car model collection. I would like to apologize for not sounding too enthusiastic, and if this video bores you to death with no background music or anything. I've been busy with school and work, so as you can tell, I was filming late into the evening. I hope you guys can understand. I promise I will make my videos a bit more interesting in the future. But before I wrap up this video, I would like to thank everyone who have watched this video all the way to this point. I love to hear from you guys if there's any specific car model you would like to see an in-depth review on, or if you guys have any insights for the specifications for certain models that I've shown, or just about anything you guys would like to share, feel free to drop a comment down below. And if you enjoy my content and you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. As someone who started collecting just a few years back during the pandemic, your input is definitely invaluable. Until next time, take care. and I'll catch you guys in the next video.